We're going to address two things today. Number one, H-style single circuit track, and number two, my light fixture doesn't work and it's brand new. So first thing you want to do before we kind of get into all this is make sure the power is off. Because let me tell you, if the power's on and you stick your finger in there, you're going to get a most unwelcome surprise. So we're going to take the end of the track off. This is a little stopper here. And I want to tell you that when you put the stopper back on, see where the screw is there? Don't screw it in any further. If you screw it in too far, you spread the track. So it's a little something to know. All the connectors are like that. The screw's just kind of a set screw. It's not made to be drilled all the way into the track because it will force the track apart. And then if you force the track apart, you're not going to get a good connector there. So we're going to take this off real quick. Now, I've turned the track all the way around. We're looking in the other end. It's not that we switched anything, we just turned the track around. Track has polarity. So when you're lining up connectors, you're going to want the hot on the correct side, you're going to want the neutral on the correct side, and you're going to want the ground on the correct side. We made a video on our track lighting connectors so you can see these. And that's a different video. It's in our series here. So take a look at that. It's really important. So let's get back to my lighting fixture doesn't work. Lighting fixtures have a 3-wire connector right on the bottom. And if you notice, the little connector points are made to go right into the track and line up with hot, neutral, and ground. Now what happens sometimes during shipment or manufacturing, these little connectors may be, well, moved off a tiny little bit. And if they're not making contact, then the light fixture is not going to come on. So you can do what we did here. You can take off the end of the track and actually line the light fixture up or even put it in there to see how those connectors are hitting those little tiny copper bus bars. So that's really important. Let me show you one more thing. All of our light fixtures are designed for either a single circuit or a 2-circuit H-style track. The hot connector, right over here on this side, can actually be adjusted up and down. Now, if during transport this little connector moved, or even worse, somebody forced it into the track in the wrong direction and tweaked this out, it's not going to make contact on the bus bar. So you want to make sure that all of these are lining up properly and that you're putting the light fixture correctly into the bus bar. In this next shot, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the track. And just so you can see with the light fixture, kind of a cutaway version of what it would look like inside the track. And you can see the neutral is hitting the copper bus bar, the ground is hitting its copper bus bar, and the hot is hitting its copper bus bar. If this is not lined up correctly inside the track, your light will not come on. So this needs to happen, and you can take a needle nose pliers when the light fixture is out and adjust these ever so slightly, and then they'll be able to hit inside the track. It's really, really important. And once you got that, your fixture goes in, off it goes, it'll work great. This is the bottom of a line voltage H-style track lighting fixture. Again, it has an adjustable hot for single or 2-circuit track, so it'll work on either one. Ground, pin, neutral. And what's different about the line voltage is it has a little spring-loaded collar here. So you set it in your track, pull the little collar straight up, and rotate it, obviously the correct direction. You don't want to go the other way because you don't want to force the hot on the other side of the track where the neutral is, because it'll just bend it. You kind of want to look into your track and see which way you're going. And if you go the right direction, it goes in really easy. I'm doing it right here, and the collar snaps back into place. And to remove it, you pull this little spring-loaded collar back up, turn the fixture the correct direction, and it comes right out. Very, very simple. And again, H-style track, H-style connector on the bottom of the light fixture, and this is what we're going to look for. And there's a number of manufacturers that use this style. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching, and make sure you look at our other videos that show the track lighting connectors for the track system, because there's some surprises there for you, and we kind of go over some of the important key elements.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.